Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you've been wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I'd like to thank everybody for watching my videos and everything. Hope I've been a help to everyone. Hope I've been answering the comments to the best of my knowledge. And I thank you for all the comments you've been leaving. Today, I'll be doing something special in this Power XL today. Today, I'll be making some shrimp baked macaroni in the Power XL. So today, what I'll be doing, I can't use this top right here, not at this moment, but I'm using 6 cups of water in this Power XL. So I'm just gonna take this top off and set it to the side. So what I'm going to be doing today, in the meantime, I'm going to set this Power XL. First I'm going to plug it in. Plug it in. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this on simmer. Set it on simmer, and I'm going to set it for, I'm going to set it for 210. Set the temperature for 210, and then I'm going to set the minutes for, I'm going to just go with 50 minutes right now because I'm going to boil these eggshells in here, macaroni shells. I'm going to set it for 55 minutes, and I'm going to press start. And while this getting warm up, I'll be showing you my ingredients, what I'm using right here. I'm gonna be using some Tetamat cheese right here. I'm gonna use 1 cup of milk. And this right here is 4 cups of macaroni and 2 eggs, a teaspoon of creole seasoning, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And as you see, I have some nice big shrimps right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut these shrimps in half before I start sauteing. So I'll be doing 3 different things in this Power XL. I'll be boiling my macaroni in here. I'll be doing a little saute. And also I'll be doing some bake. So this right here is gonna be a nice video. And this is my first time using the simmer and the Power XL. So we're gonna see how all this come out today and see if it come out nice and delicious. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some of this to the side. Okay, it's still circulating a little bit, but the water is boiling right now. So I'm gonna just put these noodles in like this and just stir it up since the water is nice, good and hot and everything. Put them in just like that and let them just boil. And stir that up a little bit, and we're gonna see how this cook out today. As you see, I'm gonna just stir it up, kind of loosen them up a little bit, like that, and let them just boil. And we'll be doing this together today. I will be taking you step by step. Okay, these right here, these are done. As you see, they boil nice and good on summer. So I'm gonna take them out and put them in a strainer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel, and this is done. And I'm gonna take these out and strain them while I'll get ready for the rest of the video. So I'm just gonna pull it out and strain them in the thing. As you see, my shrimps is awful big and nice, and they clean and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them in half so when I saute them, so when they eat it out the macaroni, the baked macaroni, it'll be nice a bake. So I'm just gonna cut them just like that. And don't forget, when you cook, wash the dishes as you cook. Don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your kids, or don't leave it for the roommate. They might not wanna eat, but if they know you washing their dishes, everybody gonna enjoy the food. So I'm just cutting these just like this, just straight in half, so it could be nice and tasty. Just like this, okay? And I'm gonna do it like this. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna turn this on to, I'm gonna put this on saute. And I'm gonna set my 375 temperature. 375. And then I'm gonna set it for, I'm gonna just say 35 minutes. I'm not gonna use all them 35 minutes, and I'm gonna press start. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add a little butter in there. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my butter in there and get it melted nice and good. Just like that, and let it just melt. And then after it melt, I just put these shrimp in and just saute them. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime, I'm just gonna crack these eggs and put it in here like this. Like that, put it in that bowl, and I'm just gonna pour my seasoning in this bowl. Just mix up everything together. Mix it up together real quick, like. Just mix them eggs up in the seasoning. Get it nice and good. Like this. Mix it up. Mix it up, and I'm gonna pour my milk in here. Like that. And I'm just gonna mix up everything together. It'll be nice and good. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I hear my butter sizzling, so I'm just gonna put these shrimp in right here, sizzling nice and good. Just stir that up like that. Don't take long. And let these just saute nice and good. And as you see, it's sauteing pretty good and everything. They get nice and colorful the way I want them and everything. And I'm just gonna saute them till I get that medium taste like on them and everything. Yeah, they're coming out good. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, they've done and everything. I'm gonna press cancel. And it only been 12 minutes. I saute them. I'm gonna take it out so I can wash this out and get ready for the bake. I'm gonna take it out just like this and put it in this bowl right here. See how good they come out, nice and good. So I'm gonna wash this out. For the time being, they come out real good. I want to taste a piece of it and see if they come out good too. I'm gonna taste a piece of it. As you see, it's nice and good. I'm gonna real good. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put my noodles in here right quick. Just like this, and I'm gonna just put them all in like that, because I'm just gonna mix it up with the shrimp and everything. Take them out this strainer, as you see. They are in here. I'm gonna get every one, and I'm gonna just stir that up just a little bit to break them up and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pour a little bit of my sauce in there, kind of get them good and loose. Just pour a little bit in, just like this, get it loose. Like this. Yeah, get them nice, good and loose. Like that. I'm gonna put a little cheese on them and everything. I'm gonna mix this shrimp up in it. Just put the shrimp in it. Just like that. Just put it over like that. make sure they spread out so nobody wouldn't be hollering they didn't get no shrimp. So put it in just like that. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step, and I like to take you by what the kids might be thinking when they eat it too. So put it just like that. I'm gonna get some of my cheese and I'm gonna put it in just like this. Put it all over. Make it nice, good, and cheesy. Just like that. Put it just, I'm gonna let it just, and I'm gonna let that cook. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour just a little more juice over there to get it nice and good. So it'd be nice and thin. So what I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna put the top down and we're gonna test this out and see how it go. I'm gonna set this temperature on bake. It's on bake. I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. 375. I'm gonna set it for 35 minutes. And I'm gonna let that bake and press start. Okay, I'm gonna take a sneak peek at it. You know, I like taking you step by step. Look how it's coming out and everything. It's coming out pretty good and everything. You see that top is nice and clean and everything. So I'm gonna put this top down and let it cook just a little bit more before I take it out. And it's looking nice and good. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take a look at it and everything. Now that's looking real nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stick me a little spoon in there and see how it's coming out. I think that's just about done. See how this come out. I'm gonna get it from the back side and see how it look in the inside. Oh yeah, that's look nice. I'm gonna take a little bit of it out and I'm gonna just put it over here in this plug right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel. This right here look nice and done, so I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna take this out in a minute. In the meantime, I'm just gonna taste it to see how it tastes. Give it a fork. Taste it and see how it tastes. That tastes good. It's nice and moist a little. Got plenty of cheese on it. It's hot. So I'm gonna let it cool off. And this right here is done. I'm gonna take this out looking nice and good. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Thanks for watching. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. And this is shrimp baked macaroni.